Hello everyone, myself Yajen Konyak, and I'm going to deliver a speech on the topic drinking of alcohol. I would like to begin my speech with a question. What is an alcoholic drink? Well, an alcoholic drink is a drink that contains ethanol, a type of alcohol produced by fermentation of grain, fruits and other resources of sugar that acts as a drug. If we look into the history of alcohol in the earlier period, we see that alcohol is used mainly for medicinal purpose, but now people use alcohol for pleasure. Alcohol impact on your body starts from the moment you take your first sip, and a glass a day do little damage to your entire health. And if the habit grows, or if you find yourself having a hard time to stop using alcohol, then the cumulative efforts can add up. Alcohol can cause numberable life-threatening effects in your body. Drinking alcohol is associated with a risk of mental and behavioral disorder. Drinking too much alcohol puts you at a risk of cancer and untimely death. The whole world impact of alcohol abuse reaches far beyond the financial cost. When a loved one has a problem with alcohol, it can affect not only their own life but it can affect their marriage and their intended family. There is also larger impact on a community, workplace, the healthcare, and the society as a whole. So, think twice and act smart. If you love yourself and your family, then say no to alcohol. Thank you.